The top bar is an essential part of Axure, mainly because of the presence of this button, the Preview button. Let's take a look at the buttons on the left, the selection mode buttons. The default mode, when you install Axure, is the intersected mode. Now that drives me crazy, because that's the worst mode that you can have in Axure in my opinion. Let me tell you why it sucks. Let's take a bunch of shapes. Now, if you make a selection like this, here is what happens. Everything is selected. But you meant to select only this part, not the whole wireframe. This mode might be quicker to select a lot of elements at the same time, but it's impossible to be precise with it. And after several years of using Axure, I can assure you that I never ever use this selection mode. I prefer this one instead. With this one, the contain mode, you select only the part you select, very precisely. It's just better and I urge you to use this mode. The preview buttons are a bunch of buttons that let you export the project. It can be a live version, inside the browser if you will. Or you can publish work on the free Axure, which I will address in another video. The publish button is a drop-down menu that contains the options I just talked about, as well as other options like generate the Word documentation. Then, on the right side, you have the different options that affect the widgets on the canvas themselves. Things like grouping the widgets together or locking them. Let's talk a little bit about locking. You will want to lock something when you are sure that you won't have to touch the widget again in the near future. Once a widget is locked, it will stay at the same place and its position will never be affected, even if you move everything. You can see that the widget is locked when the borders are red. In case you need to modify it again, select the locked widget and click on unlock, and that's it.